everyone, I am Christy Joy Douglas. So today I'm going to answer some of your questions regarding with K-12 Basic Education Program. But before we proceed, let me give you some information about the said program. So K-12, it is implemented to provide sufficient time for mastery of concepts and skills, develop lifelong learners, prepare the graduates for tertiary education or college. So basically, K-12 covers kindergarten and 12 years of basic education, 6 years of primary education, 4 years of junior high school years, which is senior high school. So now let's proceed to the question. So the first question is, if the Department of Education implement a mass promotion on basic education, is there an assurance that most of the students will globally competitive and possess a 21st century core skills? Yes, it is rest assured that the student will be globally competitive and possess a 21st century core skills because this program mostly a student-centered learner which focus more on determining and developing the ability and skills of the students. So, it develops the skills that they can use not only here in our country but so globally. The next question is, if the grade 12 students graduated in this pandemic year, is there an assurance that they will be employed, knowing that their knowledge and skills are insufficient because of the blended learning implemented by the DepEd? There is an assurance that they will be employed because even though we are on blended learnings, DepEd makes sure that they acquire the most essential learning competencies by giving the student or the learners essential activities which is very much related to our real life situation. They can use and help the student to improve their knowledge and skills and also their ability. So that's all for today. I hope that I answered your questions clearly, and again, good afternoon and thank you for listening.